Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to English with Selena. Today is another exciting step in our 10-day English speaking challenge, and I'm so happy you've decided to practice with me again. Before we begin, I want you to remember something very important. You don't become fluent by only watching English videos. You become fluent by speaking. Every sentence you repeat today is helping your brain think faster in English. Every word you say is making your pronunciation clearer. And every day you practice is bringing you closer to speaking English naturally and confidently. So first of all, well done for showing up today. Learning a language isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Some days you'll feel confident. Some days you might make mistakes, and that's completely normal. The learners who improve the fastest are not the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who keep speaking anyway. So today, I want you to forget about perfection. Don't worry if your accent isn't perfect. Don't worry if you need to pause for a moment. Don't worry if you forget a word. Just keep going. Remember, communication is always more important than perfection. Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you speak English every day? Do you feel nervous when someone talks to you in English? Have you ever known the answer but stayed silent because you are afraid of making a mistake? If your answer is yes, you're definitely not alone. Thousands of English learners experience exactly the same feeling. The good news is that confidence is a skill, and like every skill, it grows with practice. That's exactly why we're doing this shadowing challenge together. Today, don't just listen to me, speak with me. Copy my rhythm, copy my pronunciation, copy my confidence. Even if your voice shakes a little at first, keep speaking, because every confident English speaker started exactly where you are today. Now take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, smile, and tell yourself, "Today I will speak English with confidence." Excellent. One more time. Today I will speak English with confidence. Wonderful. Now your mind is ready, your voice is ready, and together, let's begin today's English shadowing practice. Here's how we'll do it. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat after me with confidence. Don't rush. Speak clearly. And remember, your goal isn't to sound perfect. Your goal is to sound natural. Ready? Let's begin. I speak English a little better every day. Excellent. Again. I speak English a little better every day. Fantastic. Next one. I don't need perfect English to communicate. Wonderful. Again, I don't need perfect English to communicate. Very nice. Keep going. I enjoy learning something new every day. Excellent. Again, I enjoy learning something new every day. Great work. Next sentence. I stay calm when I speak English. Again, I stay calm when I speak English. Brilliant. Let's continue. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. Excellent. Again, every mistake teaches me something valuable. Excellent. Remember, mistakes are not signs of failure. They're signs that you're learning. Now the next one. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Again, I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Amazing! Next sentence. I believe in my ability to improve. Again, I believe in my ability to improve. Fantastic. Take a small breath, relax your jaw, smile. Your pronunciation becomes much clearer when your body is relaxed. Now let's continue. I enjoy having conversations in English. Again, I enjoy having conversations in English. Excellent. Next one. I listen carefully before I answer. Very good. Listening is one of the biggest secrets to becoming a fluent speaker. The more you listen, the more natural English begins to sound. And when English sounds natural, speaking becomes easier too. Let's keep building your confidence. I am becoming a stronger English speaker every day. Again, I am becoming a stronger English speaker every day. Wonderful. You're doing an amazing job. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word, if you understand one more sentence, if you speak with just a little more confidence, then you're already making progress. And that's something you should be proud of. Now let's move on to the next part where we'll practice even more natural English and build your speaking confidence one sentence at a time. If you've repeated every sentence out loud, then you're already training your English speaking muscles. Remember, fluent speakers don't think about every single word. They think about the message they want to share. That's why today we're practicing complete thoughts instead of isolated words. Ready? Let's continue. I speak with confidence even if I feel nervous. Again. I speak with confidence even if I feel nervous. Excellent. Next sentence. Every conversation helps me become more fluent. Again. Every conversation helps me become more fluent. Wonderful. Now listen carefully. I don't translate every sentence in my head. Again. I don't translate every sentence in my head. Fantastic. That's a very important habit. The more you think directly in English, the more naturally you'll speak. Don't worry if it feels difficult today. It becomes easier with daily practice. Let's move on. I speak one sentence at a time. Again. I speak one sentence at a time. Excellent. Remember, you don't need long, complicated sentences. Simple English spoken confidently is much more powerful than complicated English spoken with fear. Now the next one. I stay relaxed when I answer questions. Again. I stay relaxed when I answer questions. Great job. Take a slow breath. Relax. Confidence begins with a calm mind. Now let's continue. I enjoy practicing English every single day. Again. I enjoy practicing English every single day. Excellent. Next sentence. My pronunciation improves every time I practice. Again. My pronunciation improves every time I practice. Wonderful. Now imagine you're introducing yourself to someone for the first time. Smile while you speak. A smile naturally makes your voice sound warmer and more confident. Let's practice together. Hello, it's nice to meet you. My name is Selena. Again. Hello, it's nice to meet you. My name is Selena. Very nice. Now try this. I'm happy to practice English with you today. Again. I'm happy to practice English with you today. Excellent work. Can you feel the difference already? The more you repeat natural English aloud, the easier it becomes to speak without hesitation. You're not just memorizing sentences, you're building confidence. You're improving your rhythm, you're training your ears, and most importantly, you're creating the habit of speaking English every single day. That's exactly how fluent speakers are made. Now, let's finish today's lesson with our final practice and one last confidence challenge together. Every sentence you've spoken today has made you a little stronger, a little clearer, and a little more confident. Now let's finish today's practice with a few more powerful shadowing sentences. Remember, listen first, then repeat with confidence. Ready? Let's begin. I believe in myself every time I speak English. Again, I believe in myself every time I speak English. Excellent. Next sentence. I focus on progress, not perfection. Again, I focus on progress, not perfection. Wonderful. Keep going. Every day, I become a more confident English speaker. Again, every day, I become a more confident English speaker. Fantastic. Now the next one. I'm proud of every step I take. Again, I'm proud of every step I take. Excellent. Remember, small steps lead to big results. You don't have to improve overnight. You only need to improve a little each day. Now let's continue. I enjoy speaking English with confidence. Again, I enjoy speaking English with confidence. Brilliant! Next sentence. I never give up because my goals are important. Again, I never give up because my goals are important. Amazing. Now our final sentence for today. Today I spoke English with confidence, and tomorrow I'll speak even better. Again, today I spoke English with confidence, and tomorrow I'll speak even better. Outstanding! Give yourself a big smile. You did it! You've completed another day of your 10-day English speaking challenge. Be proud of yourself, because every time you choose to practice instead of making excuses, you're investing in your future. Remember this. Fluency doesn't happen in one day. It happens one practice session at a time, one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time. So don't stop here. Come back tomorrow. Repeat today's lesson if you can. The more you shadow these sentences, the more natural they'll become. Before we finish, I have a small challenge for you. Today, try speaking English for just 5 minutes. Talk about your day, describe your room, introduce yourself, or simply repeat the sentences you've learned today. The important thing is to speak, not silently, out loud. Your voice becomes stronger every time you use it. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which sentence was your favorite today? Write it in the comments below. And if you completed today's practice, comment Day 4 done. I'd love to celebrate your progress with you. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Selena, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another day of our challenge. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, keep speaking with confidence, and most importantly, never stop learning. I'll see you tomorrow for Day 5 of our 10-day English speaking challenge. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. Goodbye, and see you in the next lesson.